Knowledge 14. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It mentioned how the marriage rates in a certain country were decreasing over time. The people claimed that they did not desire to take on the responsibilities of marriage. If a person accepted a job offer without knowing the information linked to it, such as the responsibilities of the job, their salary, and any insurance offered, this person would be labeled absolutely crazy by others. An intelligent person would never accept a job offer without knowing these important details. Yet, many people are desperate to take on certain duties without possessing knowledge on the responsibilities attached to them. For example, these people are desperate to get married, yet they possess little or no knowledge on the responsibilities and duties of a husband or a wife and what the rights of each spouse are. This is a major reason why the divorce rates amongst Muslims has skyrocketed over recent years. Similarly, these types of people are desperate to have children, yet possess little or no knowledge on the responsibilities of raising a child, such as the rights of parents and children. Again, this is a major cause why the number of Muslim youth in prisons has greatly increased in recent years. Couples have children but fail to raise them in the correct way. How could they, when they do not possess the knowledge to do so? It is vital for Muslims to first learn and understand the responsibilities of the things they desire to do before they step into the situation. As without this knowledge, they will cause nothing but trouble for themselves and others. The same way they do not accept a job offer without knowing its responsibilities, they should never take on other duties which are harder than a worldly job, such as marriage, without knowing the responsibilities involved. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.